Hi, my name is Tej Dubey. I have been residing in Delhi since 20 years. Now I am a working professional associated with ICICI Securities Limited Associate Vice President. While working in corporates, I was feeling very low and my confidence always low because of baldness. So because I have to interact my employees who are aged in 30 to 35 years of old. But then I decided to go for something, and then I searched it from the Google, and I found the address of Berkowitz Gurgaon branch. I visited there, and then I got support, I got solution, I got advice from them, and then I decided to go for the bonding. So I visited Gurgaon branch and I met Jalaluddin, who is technician there. So he has, shown me so many, patches all. So I decided, and as far as, office environment or, skin center is concerned, it was really very, very hygienic, and I really appreciate the effort by the and kind of quality Berkowitz has put in the, branches. It was highly appreciable. I was very much impressed. And I, along with my friend, has rather visited. We two people got the service from the Berkowitz in Gurgaon. And as far as support is concerned, it was really, it was boundaryless support, and all the staff were very cooperative. And then same day we got the, bonding done. And we back to home very happily when my family saw me the, different kind of, life altogether. I have been visiting Kailas Colony branch for 6 years, and first time I met Dr. Anupriya Goyal, who has given a lot of advice to me. And then I met Kamini and then technicians also. And if I talk about services of, Kailas Colony branch, it has been wonderful. And whenever I wanted to take any kind of, appointment, there was no any kind of hurdle to getting the appointments. It was always easy to get access to anyone. So that's what my experience. And still, I get a lot of support, a lot of calls from them whenever my due is there for bonding and maintenance. So I have been referring to my friends, whomsoever I know. So since 6 years, I recommended 3 people who has taken the services from the Berkowitz. Still, I will keep on discussing with my friends. Whenever I meet them, they ask how you look so young, what has happened in your life, how did you get this kind of life change. So I always discuss about Berkowitz, and I will keep on discussing with whomsoever is taking the advantage of Berkowitz services. Berkowitz Hair and Skin Clinic is not just a clinic for me. It become part of my life, and I wish Berkowitz for their best future endeavors.